Brad Williams, Frugal Finance, do-it-yourself savings projects, weather stripping double hung or sash windows. Project level, moderate. Energy savings, 5 to 10%. Time to complete, about an hour. Overall cost, 5 to 10 bucks. You can use weather stripping in your home to seal air leaks around movable joints such as windows or doors. To determine how much weather stripping you'll need, add the perimeters of all windows and doors to be weather stripped and then add about 10% to accommodate any waste. When choosing the type of weather stripping to use, consider that the product can come in varying depths and widths. Choose a type of weather stripping that will withstand the friction, weather, temperature changes, and wear and tear associated with its location. Also note that the windows have a large gap. Also note that windows have a large gap about a quarter to half an inch on all four sides between the window sash and the framed opening. This is often a major source of thermal and air leakage that is hidden by window trim and or wall flashing. Here's an overall view. This is just an example. Before you start, determine if a professional energy assessment is right for you. Detect air leaks in your home. Consider whether caulking or weather stripping will better suit your needs. Determine whether you'll be weather stripping double hung sash or casement type windows. Shopping list, self-adhesive foam insulation, V-channel weather stripping, utility knife, measuring tape, soap and water, finishing nails, hammer. Step-by-step instructions. Clean each edge that will be weather stripped. Clean the inside edges of the window frame and the bottom of the sash with soap and water. Before cutting any material, measure each side of the window, then cut. Cut the V-strip material into 2 strips, the length of the sash plus an extra inch for each side. Open up the window as far as you can. Peel the backing off the V-strip, except for the extra 2 inches you left at the end. Press the adhesive side of the strip to the inside of the window frame in the groove that the sash fits into. Do the same on the opposite side of the jamb and close the window. Now that the window is closed, remove the backing from the extra inch of weather stripping that should be sticking out above the. Now that the window's closed, remove the backing from the extra inch of weather stripping that should be sticking out. Press the adhesive in place. Lower the outer sash as far as it will go. Install the weather stripping the same way you did on the inside sash, again on both sides of the window. Put the outer sash back in place. Open the lower sash once more and install the weather stripping on the bottom edge. If you have any comments, any questions about DIY weather stripping, comment. On the other hand, if you want a video of how to do this, let me know and I'll do it. Brad Williams, Frugal Finance. Thanks for watching. Hope that helps. See you soon.